Welcome to another episode of Presto Chat. Presto Chat, wherein we will have short conversations about how Presto brings various solutions to its consumer. I am Ananya and I'm in conversation with Ayush Poddar.
Hello everyone.
So Ayush, if you could tell me what exactly you do in Presto?
Well, Ananya, I handle the new business development that happens at Presto with a focus on the corporate and institutional sales market. And one of my major responsibilities is to make our on-spot services more attractive. So you may ask what Presto on-spot services are. Well, we carry our team and equipments to various corporate events like exhibitions, conferences, dealer meets, etc. And for personal occasions, we celebrate birthdays, anniversaries, weddings. So Presto's team makes customized return gifts for all the attendees on the spot.
Talking about return gifts, where there is a large gathering, the host is always concerned about the budget, and at the same time they want to gift something out of the box and also something that can be remembered for a long time. So what have you come up to address this requirement?
Well, Ananya, that is a really pressing issue that anyone faces while organizing any event. We all want to make our events more special and meaningful. So we've launched these photo frames which address both of those concerns. These photo frames are made with premium hardwood material, and the outer portion of the frame can be laser cut and printed as per the brand or as per the host of the event. And we photograph the attendee at the time of their entry to the event, and that photographs get printed on this imported metal sheet which has a high definition print quality, and this print is not going to fade for another 200 years for sure. At the time of exiting the event, the person can simply collect this photo frame and the memory of the event will live on forever with that person.
Well, they look awesome. But this brings me to another issue that the gifts face is that sometimes the recipient may re-gift the product to someone else who is not at all related to the host. And this really defeats the purpose or the objective of the host. So have you come up with any resolution to address this issue?
Well, like I mentioned, the picture of the attendee is going inside the photo frame. So the question of re-gifting does not arise at all. And this product, fits the requirement of the host and the attendee perfectly because it is a very budget-friendly product and the memory of the event is living forever. And the attendee is getting a memorabilia that he is going to keep for his life.
Really? And how much do they all cost?
Well, it depends on a lot of variables like the location and time of the event, the quantity involved and the size of the photo frame. But I can promise you that these are very, very, very budget friendly.
Ayush, this was an amazing learning. I have seen this kind of concepts in theme parks, but in foreign countries, but never in India. So beside business, what all other events these will be suitable for?
So these are relevant for all events when it comes to personal occasions, birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, or if it's corporate events, then alumni meets, conferences, dealer meets, exhibitions, and actually farewell is another reason why customers buy these products.
So what if I have a requirement for only one or two pieces? So how do I go about it?
So for retail orders, we've already pre-selected some designs covering all the major occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, farewells, etc. And you don't get to personalize the outer frame, but you still get your personalized photo. And you can place your order at any of our brand stores or online at prestogifts.com.
It was a great learning and it's really amazing to see the way Presto keep coming up with great new ideas under your leadership.
Not at all, Ananya. Credit goes to the excellent team that we have at Presto.
Well, Ayush, thank you so much for joining us today. And we would definitely look forward to have you guys back again for another episode of Presto Chat very soon. Bye.
Bye.